Okay guys, here's what we got going on. Got my Arduino set up where I can essentially program coordinates for two servos to adjust the X and Y coordinates of this little mirror. Unfortunately I get a much lighter mirror or maybe some better servos. There's way too much jitter in this one for it to actually work properly. You'll see what I mean here in a second. Got me a couple laser pointers. Eventually I want to mount everything in one little box. Let me walk over here and turn off the lights so you'll see what this actually does. By controlling the X and the Y, I should be able to draw vector images on my wall with a little bit of effort. So, for instance, this one right now, the way I have it set up, I'm going to shine a light off of it, and you see it's kind of tracing out a square on my ceiling. It's not exactly perfect by any means, partly because there's way too much jitter in this mirror. The inertia causes it to keep rotating even when I don't want it to. Let me adjust that again. As you can see, kind of drawing a square on my ceiling. Now if I speed that up by adjusting the delay time, let's adjust it down to 0 just for giggles. Compile that. Send it to my Arduino. Very little or no delay. Takes a second for it to get all ready. As you can see with that amount of jitter, it's just not really practical. Let's try 2 lasers. At least it'll be pretty. I'm hoping with a lighter mirror that this will actually be functional enough to where I can use it for like drawing simple shapes on my ceiling or wherever I decide to. That's still pretty neat.